Welcome to our channel, where rare historical photos come to life. Every image tells a story, and we're here to share the ones that matter most. 16-year-old Leslie Arnold shows Nebraska police where he buried his parents in 1958. Arnold was sentenced to life in prison, but escaped after 10 years and vanished. A girl in a goat cart pauses in front of the Rogers Harvey House restaurant in Arkansas, 1900. A Japanese American is informed he needs to move from his home, San Jose, California, February 1943. A mail carrier and her horse in Los Angeles, California, 1915. A mother and her children making their way through a back alley in the Liverpool slums in England, 1962. A woman riding on a Snow King chairlift, 1960s. Abram B. Burnett was a Native American chief of the Potawatomi tribe for whom Burnett's Mound in southern Topeka, Kansas is named. Photo from 1860s. An Allied soldier bandages the paw of a Red Cross working dog in Flanders, Belgium, 1917. An elderly resident of Berlin sits among the ruins, Berlin, Germany, 1945. Chopper door gunner post-mission Vietnam, 1965. Coal miner's child in grade school, Kentucky, 1946. Due to the need to sit for long periods of time to take a photo in the 1800s, a mother would drape herself in fabric or attempt to hide herself out of the camera's view while holding her baby. Flag bearers from the American-German Bund passed the public, Madison Square Garden, New York, February 1939. Former German SS guards of Treblinka extermination camp hide their faces from reporters during the start of the Treblinka trials, West Germany, 1964. Frank Sinatra and Eleanor Roosevelt in 1947. French colonial soldier dragging two Algerian men in chains, 1950s. Gladys Roy and Ivan Unger play tennis on the wing of a biplane in flight, August 1925. Gold scales, Federal Reserve Bank of New York, Manhattan. Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II looking at a Ceylonese mask, 1962. Japanese prisoners of war at Guam bow their heads after hearing Emperor Hirohito make the announcement of Japan's unconditional surrender, August 1945. Jennifer Connelly and Ludo, Labyrinth, 1986. Kathy Flicker spits a stream of water as refraction separates her head from her body, 1962. Laika, the space dog, wearing a spacesuit in 1957. Lily Chin, mother of Vincent Chin, who was clubbed to death by two white men in a racially motivated attack in June 1982, breaks down as relatives help her walk while leaving Detroit's city-county building. Long before glass cups and wellness trends, African healers used heated buffalo horns to draw out toxins through suction. Market trader Alfred Bailey practicing with 15 baskets at Covent Garden, London, for the basket carrying championships in 1925. Measurement of brain activity using an electroencephalograph, 1940. Members of the Manson family, Susan Atkins, Patricia Krenwinkel, and Leslie Van Houten on their way to court, August 1970. Each woman gouged an X onto her forehead in imitation of Charles Manson. North Korean founder and first supreme leader Kim Il-sung on a tricycle from probably the 1970s. People crossing Waibaidu Bridge while Japanese soldiers stand guard, Shanghai, China, 1937. Photo of the Romanian Revolution, one of the most violent revolutions during the dissolution of the Soviet Union, 1989. Police officer fighting to rip off the flag from an anti-Nazi protester at the German Bund rally, Madison Square Garden, New York, February 1939. Rescuing a horse that fell in the canal, Amsterdam, 1929. Sicilian peasant telling an American officer which way the Germans had gone, 1943. Slavery in Zanzibar, 1890. Students run from National Guardsmen deployed on the campus of Kent State University. 4 students were killed and 9 wounded by the National Guard, May 1970. Teacher from Little Rock, Arkansas presents her class by TV due to the suspension of classes to avoid integration, September 1958. The crowning of the winner of the Miss American Vampire regional competition, which was held at Palisades Amusement Park in New Jersey in September 1970. The earliest known photograph of men drinking beer, Edinburgh Ale, 1844. The inventor of the helicopter, Igor Sikorsky, in the Sikorsky H-5 helicopter, 1945. The Mechanical Man of the Future, a robot featured in Philadelphia's 1936 New Year's Day Mummers Parade. The original Fort Pitt Brewing Company operated from 1906 to 1957. Photo from 1935, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Three Dutch women posed during immigration processing at Ellis Island upon their arrival in the United States 1910s. Two children holding a walrus's tusks, Point Barrow, Alaska, 1930. Two Native American men on the Flathead Indian Reservation in western Montana sit on a striped blanket and play cards in the early 1900s. Public execution by beheading in Qing Dynasty China, early 1900s, witnessed by soldiers and townspeople. Two youngsters at Fairfax High School, Los Angeles, California, 1975. Women smoking hookahs in Cairo, 1945. Young drivers and trapper boys, Brown, West Virginia, 1908. Young ladies dressed for Easter, Chicago, Illinois, 1941.